the ubiquitous toothpick, the bane of many, certainly for dentists, but for those that have something stuck in between their teeth, a savior. Let's say you have to use a toothpick. Should you use it at the table? If possible, try not to. If something is stuck in your teeth, when you have a moment, perhaps excuse yourself, go to the washroom and dislodge it. But if you really don't have a choice and you have a toothpick, then you might want to turn your head, move with your other hand that is not holding the toothpick. You then might try to easily dislodge the morsel in between your teeth, and once that's done, then discreetly hide the toothpick away, and you'll be done with it. So once again, don't go there showing everybody your gnashes, that's really poor form. So number one, try and leave, excuse yourself from the table. 2, if you have to, cover your mouth, and then you can try and wiggle your way with a toothpick and dislodge the piece that is irritating you in your mouth. Now, the next question is, you're having a meal, absolutely nothing wrong, nothing lodged in between your teeth, but it could be a piece of vegetable, it could be spinach. It is stuck or it is lodged in between one of the guests' teeth, and they're not even aware of it. What should you do? Keep quiet? Or should you be kind enough to them and just say, there's something, just go like this. But when you do that, try and do it discreetly. Don't say it in front when everybody's there. Nancy, there's a piece of spinach stuck in between your teeth. Would you mind? Don't do that. Nancy will be very embarrassed. Rather, when she is sort of watching, or she catches your eye, so say, Nancy, I'm sure she'll pick it up, and then she will then graciously, discreetly dislodge that. And the same goes. Sometimes you're walking, and if someone has, perhaps, certainly for gentlemen, if they have been to the washroom, sometimes they may just totally forget to zip up the zipper. If you see that, perhaps, gentlemen, just a quick touch on the shoulder. Hey, forgot to do your zipper. That's all it takes. And I'm sure they'll be very thankful to you. So in such cases, ladies, gentlemen, where the situations happen, remember, always be courteous, gracious, and respectful. I hope you've liked the video, and if you have, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.